In this video, I will show you how to hide the Discover People feature on Instagram. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on Instagram. So if we come down and press onto my profile icon, you can see we've got the Discover People section showing up. Now, what I've done is remove some of these suggestions just so they don't appear on this video, but you can see basically there's a Discover People section here, which can be quite annoying if you don't really want to use this feature. So although you cannot fully remove this, what you can do is actually hide the Discover People feature, and to do this, it's actually really easy to do. Now, what you need to do once you're on your profile page is if you come up to the top, you can see we've got some buttons like Edit Profile and Share Profile. Now, if you look to the right-hand side of this, you're going to see this little icon here with this person with a plus button. To hide the Discover People feature, all you need to do is press this button, and what that's going to do is actually hide this Discover People feature. So you can see it's now removed that, and we've just been left with our stories and our reels and our posts just like normal. So that's how to hide Discover People on Instagram. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.